Welcome to Cooking Frog. Today we're making the most spectacular Italian bread pudding. Start by slicing your stale bread. Pour the hot milk mixture over your bread and let it sit for 20 minutes so that it can soak in. In the meantime, soak raisins in hot water. Prepare your baking dish by coating it with butter and sprinkle some sugar. After the bread has soaked, drain the extra milk. Drain the raisins and add them to the bread mixture. Whisk 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk and add to bread mixture as well. Carefully mix so the bread doesn't break. Evenly distribute your bread mixture and bake at 325 for 15 minutes. Then raise the temperature to 350 and bake for another 10 minutes or so. Be sure to check this recipe for amazing vanilla-infused condensed milk sauce, because that's what I'm using in this bread pudding. Savor every bite and remember to subscribe for a continuous feast and tantalizing recipes at Cooking Frog.